Shalom again and welcome to the Baggchain podcast. I'm Halevy.
And I'm Rachel Huber. We're brainstorming ways to sell your expertise.
Right. If you're a nerd about anything, this is definitely for you.
Okay, so you know how people teach stuff on Skillshare, right?
Or Udemy, however you say it.
Yeah, for those who don't know, these are platforms where you teach something you're good at, whether it be how to play this instrument or basic arithmetic or a second language, whatever.
It could be almost anything.
Right, but I know these platforms also kind of stifle you when it comes to how you can promote your course.
Right.
Like they don't want you to advertise your course anywhere. You can have a referral link for it and give that link to people, but you can't just have like ads running somewhere.
Exactly, so sometimes people struggle to figure out how to push this stuff. Here's what I would do honestly. Start with Preply or Preply or however you say it. Preply is this website where you tutor people in something. Find a thing on there that they'll let you tutor people in. Pick a subject that's as close to what you really want to teach as possible. Then direct all your students to your other course on Skillshare or Udemy or whatever. You get paid on both platforms, but honestly, Preply gets you students a lot more easily.
Yeah, it gets you students more easily only if your price is low. So undercut your competitors on Preply for whatever the subject is that you're teaching. Set a high premium on Skillshare. I would also make a textbook to go along with the Skillshare course. Use ChatGPT to write all the chapters and lessons and whatnot. Then publish through Amazon. Treat your Skillshare like a master class and push the book.
I like that.
Make the book like $19.99. If 100 students buy it, that's $2,000 by itself.
So you're getting paid regularly on Preply for a basic course there. You're getting paid a lot more for an advanced course on Skillshare or Udemy, and you're getting random book sales too. Once you've got all three of those going, then I'd start emailing top bloggers who talk about things related to what you teach, so you can get a mention or a guest blog in there or something, because now you're just crushing it at this point.
I would use GoHead Social for that. GoHead Social is a PR and marketing firm that specializes in that sort of thing. You pay a retainer to contract them for their services, and they get you featured in blogs and mentioned in the news. They have case studies for how effective that is. You'll get a lot of attention that way.
So I guess we'll do links in the description for Preply, Skillshare, Udemy, and GoHead Social. Is that it?
Pretty much.
Guys, hit subscribe, thumb up the ass, and ring the bell. We kind of deserve it.
We really do.
Later, everybody.